Native American communities of Los Angeles and Ventura counties are dedicated to protecting the natural landscapes and native wildlife within their ancestral lands. So the success of the Wallace-Annenberg Wildlife Crossing project is very important to them. Caltrans District 7 and our partners have been working with members of the Chumash, Fernandino Tataviam, and Gabrielino communities to incorporate project elements that are compatible with tribal heritage preservation goals. And one of these goals is revegetation of their ancestral lands using native plant species, specifically those species that were traditionally used for subsistence and medicinal purposes. In support of this effort, the Wildlife Crossing will include a variety of plants that are endemic to the Liberty Canyon area and that are of cultural significance to local Native American communities. These include various species of oak. The acorn was one of the more important and reliable staple food items for the area's indigenous populations. Acorns were harvested in October and November and could be stored for a long period of time. The California walnut was another important food item, and the shell of the walnut was used as dice for games. These were often decorated with shell inlay. The Mariposa lily, on the other hand, offered a very sweet-tasting treat. The bulbs were roasted and eaten by the Chumash. Other plants that will be included in the Wildlife Crossing were traditionally used for their medicinal properties. These include the California buckwheat and various species of sage. The leaves and flowers of these plants were boiled, and the liquid could be drunk hot or cold to alleviate headaches, stomach and bladder ailments, or the sore throat. These are just some of the species of importance to our tribal partners that will be included in the Wallace-Annenberg Wildlife Crossing project. We are looking forward to continuing our partnership with local Native American communities so that we may be able to incorporate more project elements that are compatible with tribal historic preservation goals.